Bullish NEM cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 27 cents by 2030. Market experts accept XEM could reach 12 cents by 2025. Bearish NEM market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. NEM presentation. The NEM blockchain has been around some time before the crypto frenzy began, and the XEM token is viewed as a veteran digital currency among specialists. NEM has an exceptional use case and is in fact not quite the same as non-exclusive blockchains, which is essential for the motivation behind why financial backers from one side of the planet to the other are keen on the XEM token. Assuming you're keen on finding out about future NEM cost forecasts, you're perfectly located. In this video, we've summed up NEM cost forecasts, complete from NEM value today to average cost, past execution, normal exchanging esteem, current cost, market cap, least value worth, and most extreme cost. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is NEM a wise speculation for what's in store? How about we find out? What is NEM? NEM represents new economy development and is a biological system and blockchain convention worked by a Singaporean non-benefit association called the NEM Establishment. NEM began as a fork-out variant of NXT, a famous blockchain-based cash and installment network stage. It advanced in 2015 to become NEM, fostering its own codebase to make NEM quicker and more adaptable. Accordingly, the NEM cryptographic money stage was made, which was totally interesting from the first NT it originated from. The vision behind NEM was expressly to offer a smoothed-out answer for associations that wish to use public blockchain networks. NEM furnishes associations with the vital design to construct custom venture blockchain arrangements, regardless of the fact that they are so new to the blockchain space. NEM is a two-layer convention constructed utilizing the undertaking accommodating Java programming language, close by other broadly embraced ones. NEM's essential center is to address the numerous specialized and strategic obstacles endeavors tackle while taking on blockchains. And it's unmistakable. Effective arrangements deserve areas of strength for it around the world, particularly in East Asia. The NEM blockchain stands apart due to its solid organization, which upholds the association and upkeep of both private and public blockchains by means of an agreement instrument. NEM's not difficult to arrange framework, open UI, and diligent local area are effectively blending conventional strategic policies with the imaginative universe of blockchain records and have gotten NEM a spot among the top blockchain conventions all over the planet. A prologue to the XEM coin. NEM's local token is called XEM. The symbolic's essential capability is to move esteem in the NEM organization, as with other blockchains. It can likewise be utilized to pay reapers to approve exchanges and decision on administration choices. XEM has a greatest stock of 9 billion tokens, and every financial backer should hold something like 10,000 XEM before they can collect or meet all requirements to procure or create new blocks. NEM specialized examination. In spite of the fact that shippers are not yet involving XEM for the purpose of installment, it has filled fundamentally in esteem throughout the long term. The XEM token works on the standards of being secure, lightweight, reasonable, and chipping away at brought-together cycles, which surely separates it in the jam-packed digital currency market. As the XEM token has shown extreme value ups and downs since its establishment, a profoundly precise NEM cost gauge is beyond the realm of possibilities. Like some other digital money, XEM's cost is represented by exchanging volume, market development, and numerous different elements. Notwithstanding, the future could hold huge development and worth appreciation for XEM. Late urgent advancements have pushed NEM's cost on a vertical direction, and the estimated NEM value is by all accounts promising. With new organizations not too far off, NEM might come to the spotlight as a regarded digital currency with high investable potential. NEM current cost. NEM is at present worth 2 cents USD. XEM has moved 0.99% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,096,030. NEM is at present position 91 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $255,842,386 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for NEM to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. NEM value forecast 2023. In 2023, NEM XEM cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XEM will before long outperform 7 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the XEM's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XEM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 5 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 6 cents. NEM value forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 9 cents and XEM might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. XEM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 9 cents and a low of 8 cents in 2024. NEM value expectation 2025. Assuming NEM effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the XEM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XEM will be green in 2025. The XEM is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 12 cents, with a base cost of 11 cents and a typical cost of 11 cents. NEM value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the XEM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 14 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 14 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, XEM has a greatest value worth of 15 cents. NEM value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 17 cents. On the off chance that XEM figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 18 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help XEM needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 17 cents. NEM value forecast 2028. While XEM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 19 cents and a yearly cost close above 21 cents in 2028. NEM value expectation 2029. By 2029, NEM will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 22 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 24 cents, averaging out at 23 cents. NEM value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest XEM cost in 2030 is projected to be 27 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 26 cents. NEM has arisen as a promising trendy blockchain that has set the establishment for building improved blockchain frameworks. The NEM network focuses on a portion of the fundamental trouble spots of existing blockchains, expecting to counter organized clog and extensive handling times. Its methodology likewise occupies the space among public and private blockchains, which marks NEM as a reasonable up-and-comer with high flexibility potential. While the cost of NEM could go one way or the other, it surely is a commendable token to keep an eye out for from here on out. Is NEM a wise venture? NEM ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that XEM is a decent decision of speculation. How high could NEM at any point go? The typical cost of NEM might potentially reach 3 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that NEM might outperform 18 cents. What amount will NEM be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising ubiquity of cryptographic money and NEM, a drawn-out